respected Security Advisor Shri Kuldeep Singh. Would like to have your kind presence on the dais, sir, and to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you. Also presenting a very beautiful photograph of Sangay. Thank you so much, sir. Next we have Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pendakar, GOC 3 Corps. Our traditional Manipuri Lingyan stole, presenting a bouquet. And a gift basket filled with all the local produces. And also a beautiful photograph of Loktak Lake. Thank you very much, and may we have the honor of felicitating our respected Advocate General, Shri Leninism. Would like to have your kind presence on the dais, sir. Shri Leninism, Advocate General. Following the felicitation of our esteemed dignitaries, we would now like to extend our appreciation to the various departments and supporting agencies whose unwavering cooperation and dedicated efforts have been instrumental in making this 10-day celebration a grand success. Now, would like to request Shri Rajiv Singh, DGP Manipur Police Department, and next would like to request Shri Ashutosh Sinha, ADGP. Would like to have your presence, sir. Shri Ashutosh Sinha, ADGP. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind cooperation and dedicated efforts in making this Manipur Sangay Festival 2025 a grand success. And next, may I have the honor to invite on stage Sri Lufeng Kailun, ADGP, Law and Order. Ladies and gentlemen, our respected ADGP, Law and Order, Manipur, Sri Lufeng Kailun. And next, would like to have the kind presence of respected PCCF and Additional Chief Secretary, Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS. Would like to have a moment to honor and felicitate you, sir. Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, PCCF, HOFF, and Additional Chief Secretary, Textile Commerce and Industry, Transport, Tribal Affairs, and Hills. Thank you very much. May I now invite on the dais Shri Arun Kumar Sinha, Principal Secretary, sir. Like to request Shri Arun Kumar Sinha, Principal Secretary. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, Secretary, sir, for doing the honor. Ikai kumna jariba Secretary Tourism, sir na guests sing, dignitary sing, ikai kumna boti bagi namakta thagachaba fongdok chari, makha tarakpa ikai kumna ba utpirana bagi damakta. Respected Director, Tourism Government of Manipur, Sri Laurembam Vikram, IAS, Sarbu Nolukchari. And may I have the honor to invite on stage Sri Suman Singh, Commissioner, Health and Family Welfare. Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Sumant Singh, Commissioner, Health and Family Welfare. Thank you very much, sir, for your immense support and coordination. We are really indebted. One more presentation, a gift, a beautiful photograph of Lining Tho Sanamhai Temple at Kangla. Thank you very much, sir. And next, we'd like to request Sri R.K. Dinesh, Principal Secretary. Like to request Principal Secretary Sri R.K. Dinesh. Ladies and gentlemen, our esteemed invitee, respected Sri R.K. Dinesh, Principal Secretary. A beautiful photograph of Kartal Cholom. Thank you very much, sir. And next we have Sri H. Gyan Prakash, Commissioner, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Sri H. Gyan Prakash, Commissioner, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Always taking the immense hustle in organizing all the cultural programs across all the venues and making this festival a grand success. Thank you very much, sir, for your support. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, we have Sri Naurim Praveen Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur. May we have your kind presence on the dais, Sri Naurim Praveen Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you very much, Director, Tourism Government of Manipur, Sri Laurimbam Vikram IAS, for doing the honor. So ladies and gentlemen, tinbiriba kwai pumnamak thoramasi pangthok chaba matamda sinjalangjariba tourism department khaktana oithokpa mapung fahanba yabanatabani tongan tonganba sarkar gi leiriba department sing amadi supporting agencies mayamna honabiduna hairiba Manipur Sangai Festival Englishing ani kunmanga asi asumasum pangthorakpana ngasi loibagi numitki aikoigi loisinbagi thoram pangthokjaribani aduna thoramasi numit 10 chupna tongan tonganba mafamda pangthokpada yamna mai pakna apanayit amata leitana pangthokpa ngamnaba honabada tongan tongan ba department sing supporting agencies sing na achauba thaudang aikoida pinabiba adubo hanna hanna amungtanga hanna thoram mapungoina sinjalangjariba Department of Tourism Government of Manipur gi mahu sinjaraga thagachaba phongdokchari kum matung tarakpada mathangi olakpa chahida lakadoriba festival sing Manipur gi tongan tongan ba kumai harau sing deso adumak angamba mating pangbiduna yamna phajaba festival ama Manipur gi miyam gi damakta Manipur gi wangmada leiriba aikogi miyam da su khanghanbada mayam gi achouba support tuma pibiyo haiba wapam asi thamjaraga ngasigi thoram asigi haudokpagi taramna okpagi warol pibiranaba ekaikumna jariba Secretary Tourism Government of Manipur Sri Hongyo Warsang IAS pu nolukchari. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your together for our respected Secretary Sir Sri Hongyo Warsang IAS.
Chief guests of today's function, Sri Ajay Kumar Balla, Honorable Governor of Manipur, respected Advocate General, Sri Lenin Hijam, respected Chief Secretary, Sri Punit Kumar Goyal, respected her better half of Chief Secretary, Srimati Madhuri Goyal, respected Security Advisor, Sri Kuldeep Singh, respected Lieutenant General, Abhijit S. Pendarkar, GOC 3 Corps, senior officers, colleagues, media, and all who are in attendance. Good evening to all. Today marks the conclusion of the 12th edition of the Manipur Sangai Festival, a beautiful and memorable celebration that has been held annually since its inception in 2010. This year's festival commenced on 21st November 2025 with events spanning across multiple venues. The main celebration took place at the Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre and Hapta Kangjaibung. Additionally, sports activities and the Sangai Music Festival is being held at the Khuman Lampak Sports Complex, the traditional Sagol Kangjai at Manung Kangjaibung, the 50th Manipur Polo International at Mapal Kangjaibung, the Sangai Film Festival 2025 at MSFTS, and the Curtain Raiser event at Kaibul Makha Lekai, Bisnupur. The Mao Cherry Blossom Festival in Senapati was also celebrated successfully as a part of the festival's diverse, vibrant lineup. As part of the festival, we also hosted the 3rd Manipur Tourism Congress at Classic Hotel, which saw active participation from key tourism stakeholders such as Indian Association of Tour Operators, Northeast India Tourism Confederation, and Adventure Tour Operators Association of India. The main attraction at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre was a series of cultural performances by talented artists from various communities within Manipur, showing our rich cultural heritage and beauty in diversity. We were also privileged to welcome performers from other states of India, including Nagaland and West Bengal. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the artists whose vibrant performance added life and color to this festival. Hapta Kangjaibung was alive with a variety of activities, indigenous cuisine and handicraft stalls showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Manipur. The festival also featured a flower show and exhibition of Manipur Tourism Pavilion highlighting what makes Manipur unique, its distinctive culture, tradition and natural beauty. In organizing this edition, we carefully maintained the schedule to respect the plans made by our visitors from both domestic and international. Despite the challenges faced, we are pleased with the enthusiastic response and the positive feedback received. Throughout the festival, we maximize our outreach by utilizing all available media platforms, digital, social media, television, billboards, and on-site publicity to engage our target audience and promote our attraction effectively. Hapta Kangjaibung also hosted a variety of commercial stalls featuring products from Manipur and other states, which became major attraction for visitors. Meanwhile, at Mapal Kangjebung, the polo ground at the heart of the city, thrilling polo matches took place between teams representing Manipur, India, and other countries. The State Police Department and other security agencies has played a humongous task of safety and care by strengthening security arrangement across the city day and night, and also installing CCTV cameras at all main venues to ensure the safety of visitors and participants. Overall, considering the response to the diverse attraction and key events, I am proud to say that Manipur Sangay Festival 2025 has been a resounding success in spite of all the challenges we all have faced. We hope to extend its scale and scope with new learnings, better promotion and exposure with new ideas in the next edition, and continued support of all stakeholders. Finally, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to everyone who have contributed, big or small, to making this landmark event a memorable and successful celebration. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, respected Secretary, Tourism, Government of Manipur, Shri Hungyo Werseng, IAS, for your inspiring words and for leading us through this decade-strong journey of cultural brilliance. So, ladies and gentlemen, now unfold your imagination, open your hearts, and let rhythm tell its own stories. Presenting a breathtaking choreographic work by the talented artists, students, and gurus of the Government Dance College. A performance where every movement becomes poetry, every gesture becomes culture. Let the stage come alive. Shantigi Lairimbi. Our world today trembles under the weight of its own unrest. Homes once filled with laughter now echo with silence. Lives, a father, a mother, a son, a daughter, are stolen by conflict as hatred rises where humanity once stood. Jealousy clouds the skies, anger drones compassion, and the earth meant to cradle harmony now burns with sorrow. But this is not the destiny of mankind. The world was shaped to be gentle, a place to breathe, to heal, to embrace one another in kindness. Tonight's presentation, Shantigi Lairimbi, is a cry from the wounded heart of humanity, a prayer rising from the ashes of pain. It calls upon the goddess of peace, the divine guardian of serenity, to descend upon us, to quieten the storms within us, to weave love where hatred has taken root, and to restore this world to the sanctuary it was meant to be. Through movement, color, and soul, the performers bring this prayer to life. Ladies and gentlemen, we offer you the invocation of peace, Shantigi Lairimbi. Choreography, direction, lyricist, music composition, costume designer, Gurumayum Loken Sharma, senior lecturer, Government Dance College. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Shantigi Lairimbi.
hay hay yo hay yo Manipur Shanghai Festival loisandagi thauram asi nahan makhai poirei lamdam lamnung si asida tangdu leutadna leiramba punamo ngasi kongo korong nongdagi ingna chingna tangdu leitaba lamdam amapurakpa oirasu Singmagi ngalu khada hana hana khurunjarini ayam be
taibang mapu taibang malem pan basida hingmin nariba namu taibang pumnamak magi magi oiba wakhal lon langla langjin oiduna amana amabu temsing naraga yaibi thawai lauduna kaglup puruk khudingmak awa maisa langnari palem kaya kainari padhau kaya setnari pari mamung kaya kaya palem mathandagi setna khaina hanbiri thang mai ku khuri lamyai kaidami khun toiri mikap mirau khultana nille taibang malem pan sida palem imana haki natam paks de leiriba napari namung kayan khairau lairau sendana tangdu leitadraba punsi se sorrow with each community and races bewitched by conflicting ideologies fighting to the finish. Many have lost their mother and many parted from their father, while many young souls forced to be separated from their mother. Fear and panic have gripped the land that has become so frequent. Cries of grief have filled the milieu. O Mother, we, your children, whom you hold so dear in your lap, bow down before you and earnestly pray that the flame of chaos and uncertainty that has engulfed our lives be doused once and forever. Be doused once and forever. Be doused once and forever.
신부쇼이비 박항에게 빼먹시 아랑 거랑 아이비마 라이즈 그두엄 떠무 탁시기 하이구비마 노랗거리 간극이 럼란비
아이고 라이까이게 박항에서 오이바라 오이무기 복제일 강가나 홀라이자 신비바 남자로 오이 코이라바
레이랑 렉뜨기 안토이비 레이랑 렉뜨기 안토이비 싱이 렉뜨기 아힌비 신이 섬프라 레이랑나 레이랑나 마둠 사르고 우지 탕네드 사르고 나부행 문데 톱나네 누라부끄리 복실노 누라부끄리 복실노 누라부끄리 복실노 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 나
박항국질 강자래 누자 북링 레이따래 거이톰 라방 아빠우르 누자 타모이 거이다래 거저 야두는 거북 탄나 타라로 가오랑 불러도 꼭비로 아로야 컴레이따라 삐져나게 보바 니고 타모이나 야자래 러위로네 보바 러위로네 보바
Sati Pami સાચી શક્તિ તેના શ્રમિકો જેઓની મહેનતને હવે મળી રહી છે ઓળખ, જેના તેઓ હંમેશાથી હતા હકદાર, કારણ કે મોદી સરકારની ગેરંટી છે દરેક શ્રમિકનું સન્માન।
श्रमेव जयते आज देश का मंत्र बन रहा।
બધા જ કામદારોને સમયસર ન્યૂનતમ વેતન ને યુવાનોને નિયુક્તિ પત્ર એટલે કે નોકરીનો વિશ્વાસ। મહિલાઓને સમાન તક અને સમાન વેતન, કારણ કે કામનું મૂલ્ય આવડતથી નક્કી થાય છે। ફિક્સ ટર્મ એમ્પ્લોઈઝ માટે માત્ર 1 વર્ષ પછી ગ્રેચ્યુટી એટલે મહેનતનું હક વિના રાહ જુએ। 40 વર્ષથી વધુ ઉંમરના શ્રમિકોને દર વર્ષે મફત હેલ્થ ચેકઅપ। 40 કરોડ શ્રમિકો માટે સામાજિક સુરક્ષાની ગેરંટી। હવે દરેક પરિવાર નિશ્ચિંત। આ છે લેબર રિફોર્મ્સ। તો આવો મળીને બનાવીએ શ્રમિક સન્માનથી આત્મનિર્ભર ભારત।
એક ngasi tarani surakpa aroiba nuit asida amata hoibagi wakhalda nusinabagi thaurina punduna harau mathoi kaduna jagoi khuthe kachaba ho chingu na
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Shantigi Lairimbi by Government Dance College. That was a powerful call for peace. Ladies and gentlemen, once again a thunderous round of applause for the soul-stirring performance and the artists, guru and students of Government Dance College. For remembrance and as a sweet closing gesture to the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025, may I kindly request our esteemed dignitaries to come up on stage along with the artists of the choreographic presentation for a group photograph. Would like to have the kind presence of our respected esteemed dignitaries on a dais for a group photograph. Shantigi Lairimbi, choreography, direction, lyricist, music, composition, costume design, Gurumayum Loken Sharma, senior lecturer, Government Dance College, choreography assistants, Thingujam Promila Devi, senior lecturer, Government Dance College, Gurumayum Kunjalata Devi, junior